Okay, so here's an example of what you're going to do on the assignment. Okay, so the foreshadowing, irony and pun assignment, you're going to then go to my Google Slides, and here's the directions. You can read them, and I'll explain them to you a little bit. But basically, what you're going to do is do something exactly like what I've done here. You're going to find off the internet an example of foreshadowing, an illustration of some type. It could be a cartoon, it could be a photograph, it could be a drawing. It doesn't matter. It just has to be an image that represents either foreshadowing, irony, or a pun. And then you're going to explain why it is that, just like what I've done here. Now, you don't have to be as wordy as what I have been here, but you just need to explain what it is, especially if it's irony. You need to be able to explain where the twist is and how it is irony, not just a coincidence or just bad luck or good luck or whatnot, like what I've done here. So then you go from this to the next two slides are yours. So you're going to delete where it says create your own slide example of an irony slide here, and put in the image, and then the next, and then that's one half of the slide, and the other half of the slide will be put in a text box that explains it. And then same for here. So here's an example of a pun, and then you go down, and then here's an example of this is foreshadowing. In this case, it could be both. So if you find an illustration where it could be both, that's fine. In fact, that's great. But you have to pick one or the other. You can't say it's for both and then put it for both. And then you put in two slides, and then you'll go down to two pop quiz ones where I give you these. And what you need to do here on both of these is then erase. Oops. Well, okay, that's fine. Erase. Oh, I got to do this. There you go. Sorry, took a little minute. And then erase the text that I have here. Oh, come on. There we go. Erase the text here. You can either just hit delete or highlight it and then delete it all. And then explain why it is, and the directions are all there as well. And then submit it. Now, on top of this, then, though, you have to do exactly what I'm doing here. Create a screencastify of you explaining your slides. You don't have to explain the ones that I have, but just the ones that you are. So you got to explain the sorry, it would be 8 slides because it would also be these pop quiz ones, explaining your reasoning and your thoughts there. Don't just let the slides do the work for you. I expect you to explain them as well.